In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Airtable. If you're new to Airtable or just looking to organize your projects more efficiently, setting up a new workspace can be a game changer. Let's dive in and take it step by step so you can get your workspace up and running in no time. Firstly, you'll want to start by navigating to the Workspaces section. On the left side of your Airtable dashboard, there's a handy option called Workspaces. Click on that and it'll take you to the area where you can manage your current workspaces and create new ones. This sidebar is your control panel for all things workspace related, so getting familiar with it can make your experience much smoother. Once you're inside the Workspaces section, the next step is to look for the Create a Workspace button. It should be quite prominent and easy to find. Clicking this will initiate the process of setting up a brand new workspace, providing you a fresh space to organize your projects exactly how you want them. Airtable is all about customization and flexibility, so creating a dedicated area for your specific needs can boost your productivity significantly. After clicking the Create a Workspace button, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your workspace. This is your chance to give it a name that reflects its purpose or the projects you'll be managing within it. Choose a title that is easy to remember and indicative of its function, so that when you're flipping between workspaces later on, you can quickly identify the one you need. Once you've settled on a title, confirm your choice, and it's time for the final step. Hit the Create button. By doing so, you're not just creating a blank canvas, but a functional space within Airtable, where you can add content such as bases or databases as Airtable likes to call them. Here, you have the freedom to customize it with different tables, views, and integrations to suit your workflow. You can start adding information, setting up links between tables, or even collaborating with team members by inviting them to join your workspace. If you ever need to adjust the settings or permissions, everything is just a few clicks away. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully created a new workspace in Airtable. This setup allows you to coordinate your projects, share with others, and maintain a high level of organization and clarity in your work. Remember, the more you explore, the more you'll uncover potential efficiencies and capabilities of Airtable. So don't hesitate to experiment within your new workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.